Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade is a towering masterpiece of elegance and innovation, redefining what it means to drive a luxury SUV. With a commanding presence and a sophisticated design, it encapsulates style, power, and comfort in one extraordinary package. Exterior design. Step by step, the Escalade captivates. Its bold grille exudes authority, while sleek LED headlights seamlessly integrate with its robust body. Flawless lines flow into an imposing rear, complemented by striking taillights. Massive wheels and a refined paint palette complete this visual marvel. Pros: unmatched road presence, meticulous detailing. Cons: bulk may be overwhelming in urban spaces. Interior design. Inside, the Escalade is a sanctuary. Premium leather seats, ambient lighting, and exquisite wood trim envelop passengers in opulence. The dashboard boasts a 38-inch OLED curved display, merging technology with artistry. Advantages: advanced infotainment, unparalleled comfort. Disadvantages: complexity may challenge less tech-savvy users. Performance: a 6.2L V8 engine powers this behemoth, delivering 420 horsepower with remarkable smoothness. Maximum speed: 130 miles per hour driving experience. Seamless gear shifts, robust acceleration, and adaptive air suspension ensure a sublime ride. Pros: power and refinement. Cons: fuel efficiency lags. Price: starting at $90,000, it's ideal for affluent buyers aged 35 and up. Competitors like the Lincoln Navigator and BMW X7 offer strong alternatives. Summary: the 2025 Cadillac Escalade shines with its blend of grandeur, cutting-edge features, and unmatched luxury. Perfect for long trips or everyday commutes, it is a testament to Cadillac's legacy of excellence.